And as fears of the recession abound, global markets continue to react. We have the details from the CNN.
Some financial analysts fear a recession is looming.
I think we are at the end of 10 years of easy money.
The most dangerous moment in terms of recession since the 2008 financial crisis.
Part of the concern comes from outside of the U.S. China and Germany both issued disappointing data this week, and banks in India, New Zealand, and Thailand slashed rates greater than expected due to trade fears.
If we're not in recession globally, we're pretty close, and it's going to weigh on us here.
The U.S. economy has seen record economic growth and a strong job market, but some say President Trump's trade war with China could cause a slowdown.
If the president can't figure out a way to find some kind of face-saving arrangement with China pretty soon, we will be in recession.
The president decided to delay tariffs against Beijing until December, and Wednesday he tweeted that China wants to make a deal. In the meantime, Americans are keeping a close watch on their wallets.
U.S. consumers who've been pretty robust are actually starting to look a little weaker, cutting back credit card balances, scaling back on purchasing gasoline in the middle of the holiday vacation season. So there's all kinds of things that have been leading up to this.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.